This tutorial is for 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 17. In this lesson, we're going to continue using the place value chart to show division. But what we're going to focus on today is the fact that sometimes we have to regroup when we're trying to divide. So let's look at this first question. The question says 50 divided by 2. Well, I know that 50 is the same as 5 tens and 0 ones. So I'll start with my 5 tens. Again, since my divisor is 2, I know I have to distribute the 5 discs into 2 equal groups. I will start one at a time, moving the discs into the 2 rows. At this point, I've moved 4 of the discs down, but I have 1 disc left over. And again, that disc represents 110. I still can put 10 into groups, but I need to unbundle the 10 first. So I'm going to take that 110, move it over to my ones column, and represent it as 10 ones. Now I'll take the 10 ones and distribute those down below. Having unbundled that 10 allows me to distribute them in the ones column as well. And again, the answer to a division problem is telling how many are in one group. So here I have 2 tens and 5 ones. So my quotient, or my answer, is 25, and I don't have any remainders. I used up all of my discs. To check my answer, I will take 25 times 2, which was the divisor. 2 times 25 is 50, which matches the dividend, or the number of discs I had at the start. So I know my answer is correct. Here's another example. This time I have 75, and I'm going to divide it into 3 equal groups. I'll start by showing my 75 as 7 tens and 5 ones. And just like before, I'll start dividing these discs into 3 equal groups. I'll cross them off as I move them into the appropriate groups. Again, I have to keep my groups equal. That's the meaning of division. We're putting them into equal groups. Again, I have 1 10 left over, so I'm going to move that over into my ones column and unbundle it as 10 ones. I had 5 ones to begin with, and now I have 15 ones, having unbundled that 10 from the tens column. I'm going to move these 15 ones now into 3 equal groups. I'm going to do a little bit faster here. I can see the way I drew my discs that there are 3 in each group. So I'm going to speed the process up a little bit, moving 3 down below each time, and I've used all of my discs. My quotient is 1 group. When I divide 75 into 3 equal groups, I get 2 tens and 5 ones, or 25 as my answer. I used all of my discs, so I have no remainder. To check my work, I take my answer, or my quotient, 25, times 3, my divisor. 3 times 25 is 75. And again, that matches the dividend at the start. So this process gives us a strategy to use when we don't use all of the discs in one of the place value columns. We can take it and unbundle it and continue to distribute it into equal groups.